I want to tell you about the exact moment I realised I'd been asking all the wrong questions for years. Like millions of women over 40, I thought blood tests were objective truth. But after years of seeing women told everything looks normal while they're falling apart, I realised a terrifying distinction. The blood test doesn't give you answers, it gives you numbers. A number is a measurement, an answer is an interpretation. Today, we open the pathology file to expose the hidden industry behind that green tick trap and why your normal results are the very thing keeping you exhausted. You breathed a sigh of relief when you saw the green ticks, but very few people stop to think about the gap between the lab measuring a number and the doctor telling you what it means. That gap is where the real story lives. You cannot exit the system using a map designed to keep you on it. This is the 90-day cellular repair guide. It's the only map that focuses on optimal function, not just statistical survival. Download it and book your free case review at the link below. You'll need it to cross-examine your markers in Act 6. Normal is not a law of nature. It's a statistical fence. Reference ranges are simply the statistical average of the people who walk into the lab. Look around you. Most of the population is exhausted and inflamed. If the average person in the room is sick, then average becomes the new normal. You aren't being told you're healthy. You're being told you're not sick enough to stand out in that crowd of unwell people. In Australia, companies like Sonic Healthcare and Helios are stock exchange listed giants. To them, your blood is a product. But there's a deeper layer, the Medicare cage. The system is designed to be a gatekeeper. You ask for an insulin test, they say you don't need it. Your glucose is fine. The system is literally waiting for you to cross a threshold of failure before it allows your doctor to look for the cause. You aren't being monitored for health. You're being monitored for eligibility into a pharmaceutical pathway. In 1967, the sugar mafia paid off scientists to point the finger at fat so we wouldn't look at the sugar. This is documented in JAMA internal medicine. Look, LDL is not cholesterol. LDL is a lipoprotein. Think of it like the truck, and cholesterol is the cargo. Your body sends out more LDL trucks to repair the road conditions, the damage caused by sugar. The medical system sees the traffic and says, arrest the trucks. You don't fix a fire by arresting the fire department. Now we get to the 8 cross-examinations that you need to ask your doctor every time you get a test. Who defined this normal range for me? Is this range based on a healthy human or a sick average? Am I being denied a marker because of a budget restriction? If my results are perfect, why is my body screaming? Are you measuring the arsonist, sugar, or the fire department, cholesterol? Who profits if I stay in this watch and wait cycle? Is this risk score based on evidence or the 1967 sugar bribe? And why should I trust a statistical fence that moves as we get sicker? Okay, so you've now reached the great divide. Choose a door to sovereignty. Door 1, the evidence locker. Download the 90-day free cellular repair guide to cross-examine your own markers. Or door 2, the reclamation protocol. Rebuild your arterial highways with clinical stem cell nutrition. Door 3, private case review. Book a call to lay out your reports on the board and find the truth with me. The free cellular repair guide and booking call is linked below. And finally, door 4, the 3 a.m. waking file. Next week, we expose why your normal blood tests are the reason your brain triggers a midnight alarm. We're going to stop the liquidation of your assets once and for all. The investigation into your life is in your hands. I'm Nineveh, the Cellular Detective. I'll see you in the next file.